Oh, we got a runner. Bad, thank you.
Everything went to shit, so that's it.
Saturdays are for the boys!
Why y'all hate me? What? Nope, redoing that shit. What? What's good, YouTube?
Start the intro!
What is good, YouTube?
And finally,
What's good, YouTube? It's us. We back again with another video. Today is a very special day.
Yes, sir!
Today, we're going on our senior trip. So yeah, all of the boys and all the boys are going up to Sholo for today. Today we're gonna be vlogging. We're gonna be going up there. We're gonna be making some videos, taking some pictures, just getting a lot of stuff done, pushing out a lot of content soon for you guys.
So I want all of you to get on supercell.com and report this account.
Hey!
You wanna get in my world, get lost in it.
Promiscuous girl, whatever you are, you know what I want.
So I'm about to address something that we've been getting frequent questions. Don't kill us. We've been getting no, I did not do the intro twice. Shut the fuck up. I hate you.
Get back.
Okay, so I'm answering a question that we've been getting frequently. It's about our merchandise. That one day.
No, wait. I thought you were going to talk about the Final Slasher Showdown, and then you say frequently merchandise. No.
I think everyone forgot about that.
A lot of you have been really boiling your balls thinking about this, but man.
So the deal that we were trying to make with that one guy out in California sadly didn't go through. He was offering stuff that we just didn't really want to pursue at this time, you know what I mean? And he was in a whole other state, so we thought it would be best to stay local and try and find somebody out here. We're still looking for somebody to help us create merchandise, and then we'll put it up on the channel and you guys can be able to go in there and buy some Selchie merch. So yeah, sorry that it's taken so long for us to do all this, but we're working really hard and diligently to get that done for y'all. All right?
Tell them what they really want to know.
Oh yeah, okay, here we go. So another question that we've been getting recently was about the Final Slasher Showdown. We haven't been able to put that out yet because many reasons. First and foremost being COVID. The coronavirus has really messed up a lot of our plans. So the reason why we haven't been able to film this Final Slasher Showdown is because of the coronavirus. It really has put us back with a lot of filming and stuff like that. It really displaced all of us pretty much. Being quarantined, a lot of us couldn't get out of the house. I was out in California. I had to stay out there for 2 to 3 months or something like that. So I wasn't able to film.
But no. He's going back to California in a couple days.
officially.
Literally, he goes to California, right? And then we're like, okay, we can't film for 2 months. And then he's like, oh, by the way, we picked him up recently, a couple days ago. This one and the big one. Yeah. They picked him up so that way he could come on our senior trip. But then after the senior trip, he's going back to California.
That's the reason why we haven't been able to get the Final Slasher Showdown out to you guys. Once I come back from California, the boys and I, all of us are going to be at GCU getting set up over there. But once we're finished getting set up and rolling, we're going to start recording the Final Slasher Showdown. We have part 4 already in the works.
YouTube.
Alright, so you know how I posted the teaser, right? On the little community page, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, so I was going through the comments and then this person just commented out of nowhere, he just says, haha, fag.
She used a balloon and cloned it.
Wait, are you gonna cry?
Dick's chicken.
Dick's chicken.
Dick's. Alright, so originally we were gonna film the Necronomicon scene where I find it here, but it's in Ethan's Camaro, so we're just gonna take pictures. So we met this dude on Craigslist who says he wants to cross over. This is where he told us to meet. Alright.
Hello?
Hey boss. Watch out, there's a lot of glass. Watch your feet. Wow. Okay, look, ready? What's with their obsession with like the Angry Birds pig?
I know, that's
Like, that's Look, there's another pig. That just says egg.
Yeah. Imagine like coming in like.
He's like, yeah, this one will get him. Where's the other pig? I could have sworn I said, yeah, there it is. Welcome, don't be salty.
It's another one. Another Selchie.
Oh, I have to drive that song.
It was just a lizard. Why are you so?
Steve Irwin, go!
I've got it.
I lost it.
Oh, wait, was it actually jail? Hey, look at this one right here.
Guys, look at this.
No, this.
We're gonna get questions sometime.
Oh, the penis.
Is this a gas station?
Boo! Boo! All right, we're not getting that back. Liz, what the? Oh shit!
Went to the side room.
It was hiding in the hall. It was hiding in the ceiling.
There he goes.
Crackhouse gone wrong.
Oh shit! It's flying out. I think he just flew out.
Go, Liz, go.
And thus the Selchies continue their journey onwards.